Hey guys, what's up? Well, welcome to another tutorial from Spook1. Today we're going to be going over the maintenance mode, which is a brilliant plugin from the DKE development team. Basically, what it does, it enables your server to have a few commands that stop players from being able to get in when you need to do server maintenance. It's a brilliant tool, well worth downloading. All the links and stuff will be in the description below, along with the commands. Now basically, all you need to do is use simple commands and it stops players from being able to log into your server, and it kicks everyone that is currently in the server as well. So it will come up with a nice little message that you can set in all of the configs, or you can actually set in game, and you know, you can just go from there. It's a very simple plugin, but it's a brilliant tool. The basic message is the server is undergoing scheduled maintenance, please check back later. And then if they try to log back in, it will say we are now performing server maintenance, please check back later. So you know, it's a nice sort of round off to your server under maintenance. So you know, if players are like, well, hang on a minute, a server's down, and you know, you start getting complaints from people saying, oh, your server's down, it's not working, this kind of like smoothens it off. And you know, it works with whitelisted servers as well, so it's a brilliant plugin, well worth downloading. So let's go into the actual tutorial. Okay, so now we've logged in, we're just going to use a very simple command, /mm enable. As you can see, maintenance mode has now been enabled on the server. Brilliant little tool. So now we've actually enabled that players that will try to connect to the server will be disconnected from the server, and it will come up with a nice friendly message saying the server is undergoing scheduled maintenance, please check back later. We can actually change this message, but first of all we're going to disable maintenance mode. So /mm disable. Very simple plugin, easy commands, and you know, they're not really long commands, they're nice and simple, short, and you know, easy to use. So we're going to change the message now. So we're going to type /mm msg, and we're going to type our message. So our message is going to be the server is updating, please come back in 5 minutes. Okay, so there we are, new message, the server is updating, please come back in 5 minutes. It's all been configured, and that's that done. So now we can also change the Kik message. So any player that's actually in the server while you want to enable this, they'll be kicked from the server, and we can set a custom message for that as well. So /mm Kik msg, and we're gonna say the server is updating, please come back in 5 minutes. So pretty much the same thing. And anyway, you can see it says that for the Kik message now. So anyone that's in the server while we enable it, they're going to get kicked from the server, and they're going to have that nice friendly message. We can also add admins to the configuration list of who you want to allow to come into the server. Very simple again, /mm admin add, and then add their name. So Spook1 admin Spook1 has been added. You can also remove the player. So it's /mm admin remove Spooky. Oh, sorry, I think I mistyped that one. Yep. There you can see I've also been removed from the maintenance mode admin list. So now if we enable the server, the whitelist, or sorry, the plugin, see it's now been enabled, and all players would have been disconnected. So now that's all enabled, all of the configs are set now, so we're ready to use it. Now any player that tries to join, they're going to get the message, the server is updating, please come back in 5 minutes. Very simple, easy to use. So we're going to disable it. And now that's disabled, ready for all the players to come back into the server and continue playing. So now let's go and have a look at the config. Okay, so here you can see the config, very simple. I've opened it in Notepad++. If you're on a PC, I will recommend you download this. It's so much more better than Notepad. If you're on a Mac, just use TextEdit or Text Wrangler, which is available on the App Store for free. It's a great little tool as well. So you can see now it's been enabled false. Maintenance mode message is there, so you can change that through the config, or you can change it in game. and also you've got the admin list there, which are my admins on my server. So it's a very, very simple config as well. There's nothing really there you can get confused about, but if you do need any help, there's support from the DKE team, and we're also there. If you need any support, you can comment on this video below. I'm James at japps.co.uk. You can email me and I'll pass it on to the DKE team, or you can just email DKE themselves, which is support at dkebnh.net. Very, very easy to use, brilliant plugin, well worth downloading. All the information's in the description below. So go head over there now, it's brilliant, download it. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and goodbye.